Hey everyone, a quick disclaimer. I'm a traveler sharing general info. I'm not a doctor, a psychiatrist, a therapist, or a lawyer. Always check with official embassy guidelines before traveling with prescription medicine.
Guys who have ADHD, for you having ADHD living abroad, you're an ADHDer and you have, I'll tell you this, I don't have ADHD, but there are expats who have ADHD, and I'm going to give you some tips. You got to make sure when you live in a new country, make sure you have to figure out, does your country allow your medicine? Because Adderall is illegal in some countries like Japan, Thailand, Singapore. To make sure that you live in a country where Adderall is allowed, okay? Because if you need Adderall to help manage the symptoms, then some countries then you don't want to live in a country where they ban it, okay? Just want to be really aware of that. And not just Adderall, some other drugs too, ADHD medicines out there also banned in some countries. So you have to check that out. So before you live abroad, you have to ask yourself, is that medicine, that ADHD medicine allowed in the country you want to live, okay? So that's really important for you guys. Do research. Talk to your embassy, consulate. Talk to the about certain medicines. Talk to other expats about whether that medicine is allowed or not. Okay, okay, guys. So and also you don't have, when you have ADHD, you don't have accommodations. Okay, like you have back home. You don't got accommodations for jobs. You don't got accommodations. You don't get extra time for work and tasks. You either do the job or you don't. That's how it works living abroad, because it isn't you don't have the accommodations, support and accommodations not as well known as in Canada, United States, Australia, and the UK. Like in Canada, the United States, where accommodations are very big there. So, but in some other countries, not it doesn't exist. So we just want to be aware of that stuff with ADHD. So what people with ADHD, you just want to be clear, if you're you can get therapy. You can get therapy, and you can see a psychiatrist in your in your new country. Like in Vietnam, there are psychiatrists, there are therapists. You can also seek an online therapist. You can also seek an online therapist. There's also online therapy as well. If you're an expat or an aspiring or want to be an expat, and you need help with mindset, personal finance, and career advice, I can help you with that. You can book. You can DM me for a call